Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I wanted to share with you the interior mods that I've done on the 25 Tacoma SR5. I wanted to share those with you. I'm going to put links under the video in the description for you to check out if you're interested in any of them. Some of them are from Amazon, some are from individual links, some are from websites, some are from eBay. But anyways, let's get to it. I've done a few really cool things and just wanted to share them with you. I also make a lot of videos on these, and you'll be seeing those. I roll one out about every week. So let's get to it. So one of the things I did, and I did a full video on this, was I put these rough country seat covers front and back in the Tacoma. Now these fit really good. They're very snug. Comes with headrest and everything. They protect your vehicle if you go work out and come back all sweaty, or you're wet, or you have a dog or whatever. I will tell you that there is an odor. It's going away slowly, so it's not going away too fast, but it is going away. Another thing I got was this armrest holder right here, and holder. What am I talking about? I got this piece here. It just slides over with this elastic, and I like it. I like driving with this. Other people don't, but this console lid is just kind of a vinyl rubber type stuff, and this gives you about another inch of padding, and I just kind of like it when I'm driving long distances to sit my elbow on. So what I've got right here, and I'll put a link under the video, is this is the off-roam phone mount. And I don't know if you can see, I did a video on this, I believe. You can check back in all my videos about installing this. It was pretty easy. Just has a couple of Allen bolts. You just loosen those up real loose, and it just hooks on, and then you tighten them, and it's snug, and it's adjustable. And this is just spring-loaded, so it'll fit and holds the phone really well, and it's in a perfect location. I am totally 100% against driving around holding your phone. Number one, if your airbag goes off, it's going to put that phone right into your face. Number two is it's very distracting, and you take your eyes off the road a lot. So that's just me. Another one is I got these. Now these are in kind of a metallic red, similar to the car, and similar to what the accents they used to put on the third gen Tacomas. I had a TRD off-road, and it came with a red accent around the radio. I wish this one did. Maybe they'll do that in the future. But I thought this was pretty neat accents, just a little bit of red. I might do this shifter cover, I'm not sure. But that's what we got. Another thing, if you look around here, is I have a little USB adapter I stuck in there. It's a USB-C, but I put this USB adapter in here, and it just for people with the older iPhones and stuff, so they can charge their phones, and it works good as well. Okay, folks, that's what we have. That is all I've done on the interior so far, and I think I've done some pretty good choices there. So tell me what you've done. If you have anything neat. I have not gotten anything to go in here yet. I am not going to pay $100 and some for a multi-tool or a light or something. I can find my own light to go in there, and then use that. I want to get some auxiliary switches here to put some lights on the truck. And let's see. That's about it. That's what I got. So just check out this video. And I got something in the back seat I can show you here. Check this out. This is a first aid kit, but it comes as just this bag. It's Velcro. You can strap it on, and it's also got Velcro. So if you undo this strap, you can just tear it off. And it hangs from your headrest, so it's awesome for that. And you know, you can get them in different colors, red. I think they have a camo and beige, and they have black. And I have them in all my cars. You know, I have things like Quick Clot and tourniquet and band-aids and you know some scissors and some you know wrist wrap or whatever if you sprain your wrist or ankle. You know, it's always best to be prepared so you don't end up with a bunch of whiners, and you can you know take care of the problem and start going. But anyways, there you go, another scene of the rough country. But just wanted to show you some of these mods, and stay tuned for another video on the exterior mods. Okay, guys, there's my video on the interior mods I've done so far. I've kept it kind of simple right now, and you know, but they're all pretty functional and kind of neat, except for those red things. They just jazz up the interior because it's all black and gray. And I think it did enough. It's not overkill, but it's something. I might do a little more accents in red, but we'll see. That's what I got on this Tacoma right now, and I will keep doing videos as I add more mods to this vehicle. I'm going to do a whole video on the exterior mods, and I've done quite a few. And I'm going to do another video on the tires too, so stay tuned for that. If you would, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And let's see. There is not a share button. There is a like button, and there is a subscribe button. So if you're logged into YouTube, you can subscribe. And that'd be great, because then you'd see my other videos. So check out the links under the video in the description, and I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Remember, let's do the exterior mods next. See ya.